lahat. So, nawala na akong kulot sa buhok. Nilsa, say hi ka din, Nilsa ni.
Kunting na po ni.
Saan mo na?
Kunting na ako ni.
Bunting daw ninyo, ma. My hand is ready. Hey! Hey!
A is, you know what stage? A
What
is.
stage? A is.
A is the first stage.
This is the first stage. Ah, what's that mean?
A is the first stage of horse.
Ah, yeah, I know. Hey, tigirig. Okay? So we're gonna go home na, guys. So, ako, habang so, dito ka look. What's that? See?
It's a
This is this
helicopter place, airport.
helicopter. This is not helicopter.
Yeah, helicopter there.
No, it's not.
Ah, yes. Want me to turn around and show you?
No, it's not helicopter.
What do you think it is?
Wow, look at this.
Sure.
Burag i-construct. Uy, ibalik dito, uy. Burag i-construct na po nilang bawronas. Ibalik dito niya, guys. Kaya ito ako mag-uong. Lalingan ng helicopter. Manang ibalik dito niya.
Oh, bye. Siya.
Kailangan dito mo balik. Is it necessary to U-turn?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to show you the airport.
Okay. Where's the airport? That's not an
It's not an
airport.
airport. It's not an airport. It's a heliport.
Ah, heliport. Balik ka dito kami.
Ha?
Puntikil.
See? Right there in the middle?
Ah.
That's a helipad.
Ah. So di ka na landing here.
Helicopter.
Only
We'll land
helicopter.
it. Now read the sign here on this building.
Ito siya. Air taxi PH.
Air taxi PH.
Air
Okay.
taxi PH.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Matungo na ko.
Now we'll turn around.
Turn
and go
around
back.
na. Matungo na ta.
She calls me a liar. I have to prove her wrong.
Okay, fine. You're right. Libat din akong ulo eh.
See, we call them up and we come over here and we get a ride around Panglow Island on the helicopter.
Hoy.
Huh?
Ay, yan na lang ko para dali ka tayo. Kapag tayo. Ibila ka ka. Ibila ka ka.
Yeah!
Bye guys. Bye. Bye honey. Bye.
Hasta luego!
Bye Elsa.